At the 2.1 hectares, we have around almost 2,000 families. So it's a very big area. This community also, they experienced already 3 times of fire. In year 2000, 2003, I think in 2005. So every time there is fire, they rebuild again the houses. And this is, we have here San Dimas, the areas we have Bible sharing groups. So there are schedules of Bible sharing. Then we put up the daycare center before. And we have this one, also the daycare center. We operate daycare for the children. Then for the elderly, we have how many beneficiaries of elderly here? I think we have also beneficiaries, no?
11 pastoral and 6.
So we have 16 elderly. We are taking care here now. So this is the community. Then well, the future, it depends on the government because this land is owned by the government. Then sold by the government to private group. So we cannot speak when they are always in, we don't know what to happen next. But if they are on fire, they will build a house or they will be relocated to the housing project of the government.
No title of the land.
They have no title. Usually, the slum areas, they call that squatters. But we don't want to call squatters because they have no rights. They call that sometimes slum dwellers, but it's too degrading. In the church, they refer here as depressed areas. But we don't want to call depressed areas. The government call them informal settlers because they don't have the title.
All are involved, only some of them.
Some of them. We cannot get all of them.
Why?
Working, others are busy, some are working, and we have a common so this we have common stands. We have common stands, so we can get them as soon as we can with the people in the city hall. With the LSA, with the urban poor, and people involved with the relocation, government agencies.
Then here is the Sunday group. The Friday and the Monday and the Wednesday, not that. No more.
Ano yan?
So wala yung mga asawa niya, kung babae na lahat, all women.
On working. Andito yung mga ibang husband nila.
Iba't ibang husband.
Wala ibang husband. Iba single.
Walang husband, single mother.
Aking lubos, ang naging alay ko sa'yo, aking ama. Ang iyong buhay ko, puso at kaluluwa, hindi makayanan, maipaglaro. Mamahaling iyak, sigintong ilubos, ang tanging dalangin, o Diyos ay tanggapin. Ang tanging alay ko, nawa ay gamitin. Ito lamang Ama, wala nang iba pa. Ako'y hinihiling.
Ano yung sabihin nun? Naga Bicol.
Kana, pizza.
Where will it be?
Siya Bicol. Si Father, Ilonggo. Ilonggo si Father. Ikaw Karayaan. Siya Ilongga.
Nanay ko
Ito Hapon. Japan.
India, nasa Korea. Father Jose sa India, nasa sa Taiwan. Father Paco sa Spain, nasa sa China. Father Sigo sa Spain, nasa sa Indonesia before. Father CJ sa Philippines, nasa sa Vietnam. Sa Vietnam. Father Shinji Hashimoto from Japan. So,
Here's reference also that one.
Can you speak closer to the
The developer allowed us to have this one. We're planning to have our center here. This is called Parent Mission Center. We will have our daycare soon. Daycare for the children here. Because this is our also. Just last month.
As you can hear, it's raining a lot.
There's a typhoon here in the Philippines right now. This is